Are you scared of using water heaters in your home because of electric shock? Well, anti-shock can help you prevent that, and also hire professional electricians and plumbers to do your work for you. Well, stay tuned for some education.
Hi, greetings everybody. Once again, this man will be working. We are here to do installation. This is what water heater, and this 35 liters. Yeah, this 35 liters, and this is the pressure release valve. And this is also anti-shock. It prevents any electric shock from the water heater. So it's called anti-shock. This is how it looks, and this is how it works. So this is the pressure release valve. And this is the anti-shock. This prevents any shock. So this is how it goes. I'm your